On the reservation details page is where you'll enter more specific information about your meeting. For example, maybe this is a chapter meeting. Under group details, be sure to select the group or organization you're requesting for as opposed to your individual name. Remember that only officers of student organizations can request on behalf of the org, and the org has to be registered. List yourself as a first contact. You can even list a second contact, such as another officer or member, or your staff advisor. In the attachments category, you can attach files such as a food and beverage approval form or a diagram that might be useful to your reservation. Here's where you'll provide more information about the nature of your event. Whether or not access to laptop or projection is needed. If you plan to have food and beverage at your event. If you select yes, you will need to add the name of a food handler certified person in your organization. Who's coming to this event? Is it limited to just members of the organization or people in the community allowed to come? Will a campus department or another organization be co-sponsoring this event? Are you charging people to attend? If you plan on having guest speakers, note that you will have to provide their name and contact information and affiliation. How are you going to promote this meeting or event? For example, will social media be used? Note if you're wanting to have a raffle or auction or similar type of thing. Note that raffles are actually not allowed on campus, but you can talk to the staff and student involvement about ideas of what is allowed. If there are any employment or recruitment components to your meeting or event, these would need to be vetted with career services. Are you going to be selling anything at your meeting or event, such as organization t-shirts? This last question is asking if you want your request to be routed to the registrar in the event that the LBJ Student Center cannot accommodate your meeting request. If you select yes, you can indicate which buildings you would prefer to be considered for. Be sure to read the terms and conditions and click to create your reservation.